Yeah, almost like it was a bruise and you touched it.
Okay, so you're almost there. Sometimes it's a little bit more towards the spine, and sometimes a little bit lower.
What do I do?
Lay there and breathe
Bad.
while I fix it.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the channel and make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from the channel. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Ileocecal valve release. So tender? You're not terrible though?
No.
You're just soft breathing. Again, belly out. And then belly out. And then in, out. The pyloric sphincter. So this is the valve that goes from the stomach to the small intestine on the midline.
That hurts a little. Not on the inside. I think it's just the outside. Does that make sense?
I feel like it's tender on the outside. Let me see your tongue. How's your sugar content? How's your sugar
Like how much you eat?
intake? Yeah.
I eat a lot of sugar.
And say again. How much water?
That's a little tender.
Keep breathing in through your nose. Breathe into your belly. Fill your belly up. There's sugar in your coffee? No, you didn't drink coffee, you had orange juice. All right, let me see. Stick it out again. All the way out. You have a little candida. How much sugar do you have? How much sugar do you eat?
Recently kind of been higher because I've been a lot more tired. So I've been eating a lot more sweets to try and...
Yeah.
Did you eat yet today?
Nope.
It's like 2 o'clock.
I know.
Is that usual?
Yeah, I mean, it's that kitchen habit. Like, you go in, you slam coffee till like noon, you know, sample a couple things, and then around like 3-4 is when I get my lunch, actually.
Okay, so you're almost there.
It's terrible.
Tender?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That, I felt all the way to the back.
Breathe.
That middle area is where it's tender. Okay.
You're going to find your belly button. Here.
Yep.
And then your ASIS, your hip bone here, okay? And then you draw a line, you connect the dots in between the two of them. If you go straight down from there, that's the starting point. Sometimes it's a little bit more towards the spine, and sometimes a little bit lower. But you feel that tenderness right there is your ileocecal valve. The ileocecal valve is the window between the large and the small intestine.
Oh.
And it can get closed, or it can remain open sometimes in stressful situations.
Okay.
So with anxiousness, the ileocecal valve does not work properly and it inhibits digestion.
Oh.
So you can lay on your back and you can just like small circles
That explains a lot.
Yeah. When's the last time you ate?
When I ate this morning. But when I get like anxious, my anxiety's up, like my stomach tells me I'm hungry, but my body's like, no.
There we go.
Stop making me laugh.
Okay, now. Is your stomach always pretty gurgly?
A little bit, yeah. I'm also kind of hungry. My stomach's usually kind of gurgly. It makes a lot of noise.
Feels like it. Yeah, it's called a borborygmi. Yeah, that's the medical term for stomach gurgle. It's one of my favorite words to say. It's just fun to say. Okay, so your ileocecal valve is actually, it feels pretty good. There's a little bit of tension in the intestine, but it's not terrible. So then we come up, we follow the colon up. It's the ascending colon. Then we're going to cross over. Now, if we go 2 inches above the belly button, we also have the pyloric sphincter. Another valve. This is the valve that empties the stomach into the intestine. Tender?
No, it just feels funny. Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, now let's move back towards the colon, across the transverse colon. Descending colon. Tender.
Mm-hmm.
This is the window between the large and the small intestine. Sometimes if there's something backed up, we can get it to release.
I feel like I'm always backed up.
It's moving, I can hear it. Relax your belly.
I'm always really bloated too.
This is a really easy do-at-home maneuver. Yeah, if you just start at that spot, find your belly button, find the bone, connect the line in between the two, go straight down.
Does all kinds of sounds.
It's great. Take a deep breath into your belly. No.
What?
Breathe into your belly. So fill your belly up with air. As you breathe in, fill your belly up. Good. Breathe out and squeeze your belly down. Different. Right, do it again. Good, belly up, down. cut the distance in thirds. Tender.
Yeah.
Breathe through your nose, gently. Let your hips relax. Did you feel that? A little release under my fingers. So that's just what we're trying to do. This valve can get stuck either in the open or closed position due to stress. And so just very gentle massage. You said your digestion's fine? It's not slow?
I don't think so.
Okay.
That's painful though.
Yeah.
Is it just like
Stuck. All right, just flex your abs. Okay, relax. This is not an ab muscle here.
Yeah.
This is
A knot?
Yeah, it's like no, it's not a knot. This is your digestive system. It's stuck.
So what do I do?
Lay there and breathe
Bad.
while I fix it. There we go. Do you hear it? ASIS here. Connect a line and then find the middle.
It's kind of sore in there.
Whatever you ate last is already past the ileocecal valve. It's gone from the small to the large intestine.
Oh, that was my bagel for breakfast.
I was going to say, it's definitely more than 3 hours ago. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Keep going, deep breaths. Good. Breathe into your belly. Fill your belly up with air. Good. Out. Good. Push your belly all the way out when you breathe in. Good. Out. Again. Deep breath.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.